how do students prefer on the Moksh platform? So let me quickly show you. Moksh offers a free access to our platform called as the Moksh coaching.moksh16.com. It's a Moksh Academy platform, and you guys can also get a free access to this platform. We have a complimentary access where you can actually experience our program. Okay, I will just quickly let you know what is the advantage of the program and why so many students are preparing on our platform. The most important part is it is an artificial intelligence based software. So we work on weakness identifier, we work on test analytics, we work on active learning. We have live lectures with the faculty. We don't just download and give you some recorded lectures. We have doubt solving with the faculty, and more importantly, unlimited validity. You are with us until you appear your exam. We do not leave you midway. 4 month access over, pay us more money. 6 month access over, pay us more money. 9 month access over, pay us more money. We don't do that. Ours is an unlimited validity program. So every student has an opportunity to attend the live lecture. So you click a button and the faculty start teaching you. Now, for example, Dr. Dhruv, he was a pass out from Madras Medical College, has an experience to teach in 5 different continents, and more importantly, he is currently present in Canada, holding 25 years of experience teaching USMLE students. So he is based out of Canada, but he teaches the Moksh students who are studying in India, China, Germany, Russia, Ukraine, in Caribbean islands. Everybody study with him. For example, Dr. Vivek, he is a faculty teaching in one of the med school in America. He teaches all our students on the Moksh platform. So our faculties are very much experienced. Dr. Sharma, he himself is a Masters of Public Health from none other than the prestigious John Hopkins University. So he is the one who teaches behavioral science. So our faculties teach you live. That is the biggest benefit you guys have. And more importantly, the sessions are live. Of course, if you wish to attend certain and watch a certain recordings, there are a lot of recordings also available. I mean, there are a lot of lectures which you can watch at your pace for your convenience. I mean, you can watch, there's a complete set of recorded videos which you can kind of watch and understand things. So these sessions again are designed with 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maximum 30-minute duration, so that you understand the concepts properly. Okay, now once you watch the video, you can download notes, you can report any mistakes, you can ask a doubt to the faculties. Basically everything happens in terms of live lectures, in terms of recorded videos. So our students, they tell us, we are in med school in Chennai, we are in med school in China, we're in med school in Rajasthan, all across India and different countries, but parallelly there is a big support system in terms of Moksh, because the faculties are there to solve doubts even if there are questions from the med school. There are a lot of articles post COVID. People have realized how important are research articles. So we have actually uh, coagulated and combined and found out a lot of research articles which are important for you guys to understand, and that gives you perspective to actually reach out and watch and read various international journals. Then of course you have question bank. Again, this is designed keeping in mind the performance and announcement of performance. So for example, you can see in the create section, you can practice as many questions as you want. These questions are by subject, by system. So very systematic level of preparation happens, right? More importantly, once you appear any test, we have a detailed analytics to understand. Our system is working on artificial intelligence, which tells us how prepared you are every section. Okay, what are your strengths and weaknesses in each and every subject? And finally, of course, we have a weakness rectifier software where the computer identifies your weak areas and throws more and more questions to you so that you improve your weaknesses with a detailed explanation. If your answers go wrong, more and more questions will keep on coming until you are ready for that section. So this is how artificial intelligence based software helps you to be prepared for your exam. We do career planning. So as I told you, you have a complete career mapping. Whether you want to become an anesthesiologist, an ENT specialist, an ophthalmologist, or a psychiatrist, just click a button. You will have an idea. Okay, I want to become a psychiatrist. These are the marks required on USMLE. The 4 year of training, average stipend, average salary, what fellowships I can do, what makes a good psychiatrist, and you have opportunity to speak to guest speakers. So this is how the students study on the Moksh platform. I hope this is clear. All right, those asking how to get this access, you can WhatsApp us on this number or email us on this email ID, and you will get your free trial access. Great. Let us pick up another questions. How long will it take to prepare for step 1? Step 1 minimum takes 1 year. Okay, minimum 1 year. How much will it cost to get into residency like surgery? Aditya, your cost is not dependent on specialization. Irrespective of the specialization, Aditya, the total expenditure in the USMLE journey is around 18 to 20 lakh Indian rupees, which includes traveling to America for rotations, for CS examinations, everything. Okay, it is not based on the specialization. In case of MD radiology done from India, do you have to give exams? Absolutely yes, Pala. So if you do an MD from India radiology, then you still have to give your step 1, CK, CS, and step 3. So there is no escape to USMLE. Please understand this. And if you study and you are ECFMG certified parallel to your medical school, you can use this certification throughout your life. As I told you, people at the age of 35, 50 to think about USMLE. So if you guys in your med school give these exams, you can go to US whenever in throughout your life, whenever you decide to take that decision. Okay, that is something which you guys need to understand. Absolutely. Madhukunj Bharti is asking, what about letter of recommendation, research? Absolutely. USMLE admissions are not just based on exams. It is based on your entire profile or CV. If you want to know about USMLE, you can download the USMLE Moksh brochure. Of course, you can attend my traditional USMLE webinars which I conduct. Today's focus was global license exams. That's why we are not talking about USMLE much in detail. But yes, you can download this brochure to understand how exactly you get into the US program. It is not just about exams. I told you it's a job. So your entire profile building is important. So what are the factors to build profile? Each and everything you need to understand. Your college performance, your USMLE marks, your CV, interview, each and everything. Okay, that's a good question, Renuka. After finishing PG in US, can we return and settle in India? Absolutely yes, Renuka. Renuka, you should actually Google Medanta Hospital, Fortis Hospital, Dhirubhai Ambani. You should Google any big hospital which you know, Apollo, and just find and read the profiles of doctors in these hospitals. You will realize 70% of them might have done a residency or fellowship from America. Satya is saying, according to you, which should be the best field to choose? Satya, I will never tell you which is the best field to choose, because if I tell you, I will be committing a crime. Why? Because that's not how you decide and make your career. Please understand, Satya, career planning is something which you realize as you go ahead with your journey. You first of all know and speak with different specialist people, attend a lot of guest lectures which we conduct, and then you take a call. I cannot tell you, you know what, Oftal is the best. Oh, you might not be interested in that field at all. You know what, surgery is best, but hello, I am not good in my surgical skills. You know what, psychiatry is the best, but I don't like counseling people. I cannot just speak to people hours and hours. I don't have that much patience. So I cannot choose that for you. I can just guide you, give you perspective, and I recommend you the options. Absolutely, yes, Madhu Kunj. Indian governments definitely recognized the USPG very much, both in private and government sector. What more do I have to do to start a general surgery? Irrespective of the specialization, you need to make your profile strong. Okay, your profile has to be very strong for the US process. And what are the profile requirements? Requirements are very simple. You require a great step 1 score. You require a great LOR from American doctors. You have to perform well in your medical college. You require a good CK score. You require a personal statement. You need to pass these exams in the first attempt. If your class ranking is good, that's a good thing. If you say you are interested in surgery, then you should participate in surgical skills workshops, surgery seminars, conferences, CMEs, or do some research, personal prior knowledge, or networking. So if you can see, the factors of admissions are same for all specialization. Okay, it is not that it is something different. Please understand this clearly. Okay, you require good communication skills. You need to be professional. All right. So basically, don't worry about these factors. At Moksh, what we do is all our students, we mentor them very closely during the entire journey. Okay, you are not with us for, as I told you, limited days. It is a complete journey, and throughout that journey we are with you. Okay, so we help you with your CV, mentoring, exams, modules, everything. Okay. Oh, this is an interesting question. What about Singapore? Let's discuss this. Okay, let me talk about Singapore. That's a good question. So Singapore has their own approved medical college list. So colleges from India which the medical council approves, and only students from these can either do or think about PG or settle there. Okay. Earlier in this list in Singapore, there were about 11 medical colleges from India, followed by 7 medical colleges, and currently, can you see the list which has been revised in 2020? So if you are from any of these colleges, only then you can think about doing something or maybe settle in Singapore. Okay, which are these colleges in India? Let us see that. That's it. So if you are from AIMS or CMC Vellore, yes, you can kind of settle in Singapore. It's a very small island. I mean, I should say kind of almost the size of maybe Delhi, Bombay. Not more than that. So I mean, that's not a place to kind of settle for medicine. If you're a finance student, then I would have recommended. Is there a criteria about which colleges can appear USMLE? I am from WIMS Pawapuri. Jainika, we do that. Okay. Okay. So USMLE criteria you're talking about. All right. So whichever country you are looking for, all right. And if you want to check how legitimate the college is, please refer the World Directory of Medical School. Okay, this will give and solve your answer. So I am not sure. I'm sorry. I've actually traveled across India and delivered session in 200 plus medical colleges, but unfortunately, I'm sure about your college. I haven't been to that part of India. So let me quickly check. Okay, Vardhaman Institute of Medical Sciences, Pawapuri. All right. It's a government college, 2013. All right. So currently, students from these colleges cannot write USMLE. So if you are from this college, please approach your college management and get your college documents sent to this particular agency, World Directory, so that you guys can write the USMLE examination. Santosh, I don't even have to check JJM. JJM is very much approved. I have a lot of students in America who are settled from there. Okay, JJM, Davangere or JSS, Mysore, lots of students are settled there. So don't worry. Very much approved. Private 1965, approved by both Canada and the US board. So no problem at all. No, everything is there, Santosh. I don't know who tells you what. You can see this. Documents are very much updated, 1967 till current. So no problem. Yashank, I'm not sure you joined the webinar late. I already discussed why not PLAB. So we don't recommend as Moksh. We do not kind of spoil somebody's career. So we don't recommend. Of course, not even Nepal. Why would I recommend residency in Nepal? Okay, I personally have visited medical colleges in Nepal and did seminars on USMLE, so I know the conditions. Why would you dream about doing a PG from a country which is backward than what India is? A country where you do PG should be a forward looking country so that you learn the biomedical technology, you learn the research, you get exposed to the best of the healthcare providing infrastructure. Why would somebody do a PG from Nepal? Surprising. So I don't recommend that. That's what I'm saying. At Mox, we are very clear which countries we recommend. That's it. We are very specific on the countries which we recommend. Thank you very much, everyone. I wish you all the very best for your careers, whether it is India or abroad. We are there to support you, and we are there to kind of assist you in this journey. I understand time was pressing, so we could not discuss a lot of things. But yeah, I'll be happy to kind of talk USMLE much in detail in our future sessions. Thank you, Ridham Preet Kaur. Thank you, Yashank. Uh, Thank you, Jyoti Jain. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, regarding the future webinars, you can connect with the same team of professionals who actually guided you with this link. Okay. Uh, so I am not sure how did you get the link for today's session, but you can contact the same people and they can give it to you. Thank you, Renuka, Ansel, Palak. Thank you, everyone. And I wish you all the very best. And COVID is a time where you reflect back on your priorities, both personal and professional. So give a great thought at what you want to do in next 4 years, 5 years down the line, and plan things in a better way. All right. Wish you all the very best and hope to see you soon in our future sessions. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.